Figure out the brand in 3 minutes. Ted Baker. Ted Baker, a British clothing brand founded in 1988 in Glasgow, Scotland, became known for its stylish apparel and accessories, marketed under the name Ted Baker, London. At its peak, the brand operated over 500 stores globally and was regarded as a high-status fashion label. However, it faced significant challenges that led to its administration in March 2024, ultimately resulting in the closure of all UK and Ireland shops by August 2024. The brand's history began with Ray Kelvin, who established the first store in Glasgow in 1988. This was followed by rapid expansion into major cities, and by 1998, Ted Baker had launched its first website. The company reached a high of 500 stores by 2018, marking a period of strong sales. However, the challenges began in 2009, escalating with a series of profit warnings and management changes. This instability intensified after allegations of inappropriate behavior emerged against Kelvin in 2018. As the company struggled with declining sales, excessive diversification, and a £58 million accounting error in 2020, its financial situation worsened. In October 2022, Ted Baker was acquired by Authentic Brands Group for £211 million, raising hopes for revitalization. Despite this, sales continued to fall, and the brand faced ongoing financial difficulties, leading to significant store closures. By March 2024, the number of stores had drastically decreased, and in April, administrators announced further closures and layoffs. The situation worsened for operations in the US and Canada, which faced bankruptcy. By August 2024, all Ted Baker stores in the UK and Ireland were set to close, although products would still be available through other retailers. The decline of Ted Baker illustrates the impact of reputational damage, management instability, and an inability to adapt to changing market conditions, ultimately leading to its fall from grace.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.